I'm Quinn McClinton, and you're watching Elegance on 18 Wheels Big Rig Spotlight. Hey guys, it's Quinn, Elegance on 18 Wheels Magazine. Guys, I got something really cool to show you guys today. I'm down here in Remington, Indiana, at one of my favorite locations, I-65 Chrome Shop. And man, do they have something that's right here that they've been working on for some time that's actually going to a museum. And I couldn't wait to get down after getting a call that this baby was gonna be done. So I'm gonna get out of the way and let me show you a little piece of history that's brand spanking new. This team at I-65 did a phenomenal job in putting this truck back together. And I mean, from interior to exterior, it is well put together, from the new truck smell to the new truck look. This is Quinn, Elegance 18 Wheels Magazine. We'll be right back with a walk around of this cool project I'm standing ready beside. We'll see you. Hey everybody, it's Quinn. Guys, you know we got some really cool new sponsors and advertisers on board with us. If you're looking for a brand new Volvo or used Volvo, you need to check out Hudson County Motors and let them know Quinn sent you.
For more information, visit us at HudsonCountyMotors.com or call us at 201-866-5570. ATG is redefining the sleeper cab experience. As one of the most dynamic sleeper manufacturers on the market, we bring iconic retro designs to life. Founded in 2018, ATG was built on a dream to provide an affordable yet luxurious solution for your trucking needs. With first-class service and an unwavering focus on customer satisfaction, ATG Sleepers is your go-to choice in today's trucking industry. Call us today or visit us online to take your trucking experience to the next level.
crew has a awesome display, all that you would ever need. They have an awesome display of different bumpers right here to choose from. You name it, they got it. The showroom is dedicated just to custom bumpers. Unbelievable lighting. Endless supplies of different things that they have right here. Absolutely stunning. Hey guys, it's Quinn, Elegance in 18 Wheels Magazine. Guys, you know I've been bragging about having all these new partners, but we really got a cool one this time. And it's Alameen Brothers Transportation. And you want your stuff delivered on time and on point, this is who you need to check out. Tell them Quinn sent you. I'm Quinn McClinton, and you're watching Elegance on 18 Wheels, Big Rig Spotlight. Hey guys, it's Quinn. We're back. I told you it was going to be a bad ride. I told you we would have fun looking at the Chrome Shop on the inside. Guys, I had an absolute awesome time down here at 65 Chrome Shop. They got some really killer stuff. And you guys remember, I did a bunch of the shots from some of the other builds that they did. You remember these? Yep, that was me. I shot all those, and we had such a good time shooting them and being on location with everybody. They create, and that's just scratching the surface of some of the custom builds that they've done. But guys, once again, I had an awesome time. Thank you, I-65 Chrome Shop, for giving us this opportunity to be down here and get you guys in the spotlight. I'm looking forward to more builds, more opportunities. So from now, this is Quinn, Elegance in 18 Wheels Magazine, down here in Remington, Indiana, at the I-65 Chrome Shop, having a blast with a beautiful 362 cab on it. All right, guys, we'll see you later.
Nationwide, we don't just outfit big rigs, we transform them. Family owned and fueled by passion, our Chrome Shop is your destination for top-tier accessories. From gleaming fenders to custom lighting and interior accents. Need installation or total restoration? Our on-site bay handles everything from quick upgrades to full overhauls. If it's not on our shelves, we'll go the extra mile to get it for you. Because at Nationwide Chrome, it's not just about parts, it's about pride in every ride. Nationwide Chrome, where your rig becomes a legend.